As you can see, the interior of the QX60 is, in my opinion, stunning. I love the quilted material, soft leather, large navigation, infotainment screen, full digital display. This is brilliant in my opinion. It has that haptic feedback, so even though they've removed the buttons, it still feels like buttons. It feels like you're pushing something. So I'm blown away. You have massaging seats on this vehicle. It takes a lot to impress me, especially on a vehicle that I never liked. The old QX60, I just didn't like the way the sheet metal wrapped around that car. It was very curvy. I just didn't think it was a top 3 or top 5 contender in that segment. But now I think this is easily in the top 3. So congratulations to Infiniti, and yeah, they really nailed it. Panoramic sunroof, you had head-up display, but these are things that you expect to find in this segment. But I think they took it one step further. So very, very impressed with what they've done. You've got some great driving aids. I mean, there isn't anything that stands out except the value proposition, the packaging that Infiniti has in this, and really probably the closest competitor might be the Genesis GV80. In my opinion, that might be the closest competitor as far as, you know, bang for the buck. But Infiniti is still a Japanese brand, and they're just they nailed it with this one. So we'll give you a little taste of what the acceleration is like. Transmission is more responsive than in the outgoing model. Just everything just is working better now. This is how it should have been from the start. But typical Nissan Infiniti, they kind of wait, and they actually held on to that last body style too long, and then they give us this, which is just a beautiful design. I like the big bold grille, the sound system. They were one of the first to partner with Bose, and it's a great sound system. I'm just I just think that what they've done here is I think what Infiniti has done here should put them on the map once again in this segment, even though they did quite nicely with the outgoing model, surprisingly. But here we are. I think this particular model is going to continue to be Infiniti's leader, and they have a nice lineup altogether, especially in that heart of that lineup, the QX50, 55, and 60. But this is the one that most people want, the 3-row crossover premium segment, and I would take this over the Lexus RX350L, for example. I would take it over the MDX. So I've never said that in the past, but today I would. The design is stunning, and I think when people think that you're driving a Range Rover, that's a good thing. So what if they copied some of the design language? Everybody copies everybody anyway, but I think the way they did it, and to have that Japanese quality and reliability, game over. One of the features of the Infiniti QX60 and other Infiniti and Nissan product is the Pro Pilot Assist. It's this blue button here, which you need to press in order to activate the cruise control. And what it does is it offers lane keep assist, lane departure warning, lane tracing. So we're going to kind of give it a little test here. We're on a pretty open road. It's early in the morning, but now it's giving me a signal red signal to put my hands on the steering wheel, but overall it's doing a pretty good job. We're seeing this more and more in other vehicles. In fact, we're reviewing BMW's new electric SUV, and it offers even better lane tracing, in my opinion. The Infiniti QX60 is available in 4 models. Base model is the Pure, followed by Deluxe, Sensory, and top-of-the-line Autograph. A base Pure with front-wheel drive starts at $47,850, and a top-of-the-line Autograph starts at $61,350 for the front-wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive adds about $2,000 with the exception of the Autograph top-of-the-line model, which brings the total price to $64,250.